Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van, you'll notice it's got halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice it's got a black front bumper. It's also fitted with 2 nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with full VW wheel covers. Moving up, you'll notice it's fitted with heated mirrors. Also, the mirror caps and door handles are in black. To this side of the van, you'll notice that it's fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the door so we can see inside the load area. As you can see to the back of the front seats, the front bulkhead has been deleted. You'll also notice that the load area has not been used and it's clean. At the back of the van, you'll notice it's fitted with a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. The rear bumper is also in black, and it also has reverse parking sensors. The tail lights on this van are LED. It also has a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the tailgate. If you would like to protect the load area, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here's a closer view of the rear tailgate. This van is painted in bright orange. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both front doors come with some handy storage. Across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the seats, you will notice it's fitted with 2 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. You'll also notice the driver and passenger seats come with some handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the interior and also the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. Moving down, here we have the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, to this side you'll notice multimedia controls. To this side you'll notice cruise control. This van has covered 7 delivery miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here. This van is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. I'm now going to pop the vehicle into reverse. You will notice it's fitted with a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions whilst parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice this van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here we have the direction of the heat switch. And lastly, here's the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over the video. Here we have a Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. The salesperson will also be able to talk to you about any flexible finance options if needed. He'll also be able to book you a test drive. And thank you for watching.